I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west toward the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm in apartment 2011, a truly terrific studio on an angled northwest corner looking out over Dearborn Park toward a view of the skyline and the Willis Tower. Turning into a fun space, open plan. It's an alcove sleeping area. Easily accommodates your queen-size bed and additional furniture. A layout for your comfort furniture. Floor-to-ceiling windows and high ceilings extending throughout the apartment. There are roller shades on the windows. Plank flooring also extends throughout. A breakfast bar peninsula that can seat 4. Undermount stainless steel sink with a gooseneck faucet and spray attachment under a quartz counter. Stainless steel appliance package. Has an ice maker in the fridge. 4-burner gas range. Built-in microwave and dishwasher. Really good cabinet and counter space. Just a great layout for a studio. All the cabinets are soft close. Getting back toward the entryway, a wide closet with custom organizers. Bath has a wide vanity, white quartz counter with an undermount sink, triple mirrored medicine cabinet up above, and there's a wide walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Looking at the entryway, seeing plaques that tell you that all the switches are smart, can be controlled by Amazon's Alexa. Coat closet, and behind a louvered door, your full-size stacked washer dryer. This is really an outstanding studio layout. 1001 South State has an attractive location, wide variety of apartments, all of them with upscale finishes, a fun, innovative, extensive suite of amenities. Put 1001 South State on your must-see list. Head to 1001's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.